Sanctions, in law and legal definition, are penalties or other means of enforcement used to provide incentives for obedience with the law, or with rules and regulations. Criminal sanctions can take the form of serious punishment, such as corporal or capital punishment, incarceration, or severe fines. Within the civil law context, sanctions are usually monetary fines, levied against a party to a lawsuit or his/her attorney, for violating rules of procedure, or for abusing the judicial process. The most severe sanction in a civil lawsuit is the involuntary dismissal, with prejudice, of a complaining party's cause of action, or of the responding party's answer. This has the effect of deciding the entire action against the sanctioned party without recourse, except to the degree that an appeal or trial de novo may be allowed because of reversible error. As a noun, the term is usually used in the plural form, even if it only refers to a single event. If a judge finds a party, it is not said that he or she imposed a sanction, but that he or she imposed sanctions. A judge may sanction a party during a legal proceeding, by which it is implied that he or she imposes penalties. In the United States federal court system, certain types of conduct are sanctionable under Rule 11 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. Conversely and sometimes confusingly, the word may be used to imply approve of, especially in an official sense. The law sanctions such behavior would imply that the behavior spoken of enjoys the specific approval of law. To sanction implies make a legal agreement. The word is derived from sanctus, to make holy. A legal agreement or sanction imposes approvals, rules, guidelines and penalties on conduct. The sanction is defined as an element associated with an accountability and which corresponds to the consequence resulting from the justification of the realization of this accountability. References. Bibliography: Herbert L. A. Hart, The Concept of Law, Oxford University Press, London, 1961. Gerd Spittler, Norman Sanction. Untersuchungen zum Sanktionsmechanismus, Walter, Alton Freiburg, 1967. Norberto Bobbio, Sanction, Novissimo Digesto, UTET, Torino, 16, Torino, 1969, 530-540. Niklas Luhmann, Rechtssociologie, Robert, Reinbeck Bay Hamburg, 1972. Otto Weinberger, Der Sanktionsbegriff und die pragmatische Sanktionsgesellschaftliche Normen, in H. Lenk, HRSG, Norman Logic, Verlag Documentation, Polak Beimar 1/4 NCHEN, 1974, 89-111. Lawrence M. Friedman, The Legal System. A Social Science Perspective, Russell Sage Foundation, New York, 1975. Norberto Bobbio, Dalla struttura alla funzione. Nuovi studi di teoria del diritto, su Munita, Milano, 1977. Wilhelm Obert, On Sanctions, in a Euro-OE European Yearbook in Law and Sociologia Euro, 1977, 1-19. H. Kelson, Allgemeine Theorie der Normen, Mans Verlags und Universitätscurrencybuchhandlung, Wien, 1979. F. da Euro Unregistered Trademark Agnostinho, Sanction, Encyclopedia del Diritto, XLI, Joffre, Milano, 1989, 303-328. Otter and Bigger, Rechtslogik, Dunker and Humblot, Berlin, 1989. Charles Albert Morand, Sanction, a Euro-OE Archives de Philosophie du Droit Euro, XXXV, 1990, 293-312. Heik Jung, Sanktionen System und Menschenrecht, Haupt, Bern Stuttgart Wien, 1992. Juan Carlos Bayen, Sanction, Dictionnaire Encyclope Copyright Dictateur Copyright de Sociologie du Droit, LGDJ, Paris, 1993, 536-540. Rielino Mara, Sanction, Digesto del Discipline Privatistique. Cesian Civil, UTET, Torino, 18, 1998, 153-61.